Hi, this is Jeff with Property Mavens in Atlanta, Georgia, with a short free video about the other investment. Seems to have been forgotten, but it's real estate right now. So why is now the right time to invest in real estate? Well, number one, it's for cash flow. There's a high demand because there's lots of renters with the housing market crash. You can get properties with 20% equity or more, and financing is still available for non-owner occupied properties. Now is the time to build your retirement portfolio. There has never been a better time to buy investment real estate. So let's look at then and now. Pre-2007, real estate was about tax benefits and future appreciation. Well, we know what happened to future appreciation, right? Now real estate is about cash flow. So what type of properties are there? There's fixer-uppers, which are cheap. They do require cash to renovate, and you're going to have holding costs, which are 3 to 4 months to renovate and rent the property. If you think you can do it sooner than that, make sure you have at least this much cash just in case, because it's going to take that long. You got to refinance the property, you got to find tenants, and then you're going to become the landlord. Or there are turnkey properties which come renovated, they're tenant occupied, you have cash flow from day one, so you don't have 3 to 4 months of holding costs before you ever start to get cash flow. You have instant equity built into the property, and there's property management in place, so no late night phone calls. These are turnkey investment properties for your retirement portfolio. If you want to retire wealthy, this is the way to do it. So let's just take an example. This is a very typical type of home that we've got for a turnkey property. You can see that it's a lovely home. It's really well renovated inside. Looks like it's ready to move into. Many people would love to move into a home that's this nice with a renovated kitchen, new carpet, paint, light fixtures. It's just like a beautiful home to move into. Okay, so as far as finding the properties, as you could tell, that was a property in a good, stable neighborhood. We look for properties that are close to employment centers that are safe. We stay out of the war zones. You're going to have safe properties that people would love to move into in neighborhoods that they want to live in. And you also have equity, 20-25% equity minimum in today's market. It's so depressed right now. If you hold on to these for a while, you could have far more than 20% equity in the property. Okay, so let's talk about financing these things. That's always the biggest question. Well, how do I buy it? Well, we're a direct lender, so we can finance the properties for you. Financing must be right, or your investment will not have positive cash flow. And we provide a concierge level service when you're financing these properties, so you're going to love working with us on the financing. And as far as property management, these are turnkey properties with screened long-term tenants in place. So there's no stories about the 2 a.m. call to fix the toilet, and there's no legal issues or wondering how to structure a lease properly, which is absolutely critical. So this is an investment, not a job. It's an investment that is an investment. Okay, it's not something for you to work on and spend your time on. You have the tax benefits of depreciation, mortgage interest, you can write off your expenses, etc. It's a great hedge against inflation, but most importantly these days it's about cash flow. So membership to Property Mavens is free, but you do have to join to get access to the properties. You can see the latest properties that have been screened, acquired, fully renovated as soon as they're available. So just sign up and diversify your investment portfolio, and we look forward to working with you here at Property Mavens. Thanks for watching the video.